You're not wrong for masturbating after 60. The mistake is how you're doing it without anyone warning you. Many men think, as long as I can still get a response, I'm fine. But the truth is, your reflexes are being damaged daily not by age, but by 7 silent habits after 60. A Mayo Clinic urologist once said, masturbation can extend sexual health to 80 if done right. But done wrong, it can disrupt nerves, hormones, even cause erectile tissue fibrosis, without you knowing. In this video, you'll discover 7 common masturbation mistakes seen in over 60% of male patients by urologists. Why these mistakes rob your reflexes, dull emotions, and distance you from your partner despite love. And most importantly, simple, effective adjustments to preserve vitality, spirit, and self-respect into old age. Before we start, a heartfelt question: have you ever masturbated just to get it over with, then felt empty, tired, or burned out afterward? Comment yes if you've felt that void. Comment fix if you're ready to learn again, not to satisfy, but to preserve yourself. Mistake number 1: masturbating with a hiding mindset, pushing you further from yourself. It's not the act you're doing wrong, it's the mindset you bring to it. Many men over 60 only masturbate when their wife's away, or with lights off, door locked, rushing through in minutes like it's something to be ashamed of. Afterward, you feel hollow, empty, and a question you don't dare voice: am I still alive? Or just clinging to fading instincts. A 2021 Journal of Sexual Medicine study found men over 60 masturbating with anxiety or guilt had elevated cortisol levels within 30 minutes, saw no testosterone boost, even a drop, faced higher risk of post-ejaculation emotional distress, fatigue, insomnia, guilt. You're not wrong for having desire. But if you masturbate like you're guilty, your body believes you're doing something wrong, and your hormones react accordingly. Solution: do it mindfully without rush. Don't use masturbation to release, but to reconnect with the feeling: I'm alive, I can still feel. Comment safe if you've felt this and are ready to try a new way. No hiding, no fear, no haste. Mistake number 2: using extreme content, burning out dopamine and numbing you to reality. You're not responding like before, not because you're old, but because your brain's hooked on the unreal. After 60, many men turn to heavier pornographic content, trying to recapture a familiar feeling. But this traps you in a deadly loop for your sexual nerves. The more intense the stimulation, the stronger the dopamine spike, the harder it is to feel pleasure from simple, real, intimate things. A 2019 University of Cambridge study found men using high-frequency, intense porn 3 times a week shrank the brain's real desire regions, lost emotional connection during intimacy with their partner. 52% felt nothing from real touch despite sufficient hormones. In short, the stronger content you consume, the more your body shuts off to real people, real touch, real love. Solution: gradually ditch the videos. Try recalling real memories, gentle, close, unforced. It's tough at first, but in 2-3 weeks, your brain can reset to real reflexes if you stay patient. Comment reset if you want to feel reality again, slower but closer, more alive. Mistake number 3: going too fast. Starving erectile tissue of exercise and losing reflexes. You think, as long as I can get hard and finish, I'm good. But if every session lasts just 2-3 minutes, rushed, no warm-up, your body isn't working at all. Why erection isn't just a sexual reflex. It's a biological chain of nerves, blood vessels, erectile tissue, and hormonal signals. If you don't give them enough time to engage, they lose their ability to coordinate. A 2017 Boston University study found men aged 60-75 masturbating under 3 minutes per session gradually lost ability to maintain erections, had higher risk of erections too weak for intercourse. 58% felt unsatisfied after ejaculation, leading to low mood, dropping hormones. It's like walking 2 steps and stopping every day. Your muscles don't strengthen, they weaken. Solution: take at least 8 to 10 minutes each time, no rush. Pair with slow breathing, hand on lower abdomen, gentle imagery. Blood will flow more evenly, exercising erectile tissue, gradually restoring reflexes. Comment slow if you've rushed and are ready to slow down. Do it right. Come alive. Mistake number 4. Focusing only on genitals. Your brain misses true pleasure. Shortening reflexes. Many men masturbate like it's a technical task. Start below, finish fast. No deep breathing, no full body awareness. That's why your brain doesn't register it as true pleasure. Touching one spot. The brain sees isolated stimulation. But touching abdomen, thighs, chest, neck, breathing deeply, relaxing limbs, the brain registers. This is a connected whole-body experience. A 2021 Stanford University study found men over 60 masturbating with slow breathing and light full-body touch. Doubled oxytocin and endorphin levels compared to those focusing only below. After 3 weeks, natural erections lasted 35% longer. 61% said, "I feel alive again, not like a young man, but a whole person." In short, touching one spot. Calf brain logs technical stimulus. Full body touch plus deep breathing, hikes, brain logs, emotional pleasure connection revival. Solution. Start by placing a hand on your chest, lower abdomen. Breathe deeply. Close your eyes. Imagine light flowing through your body. When your body feels whole, pleasure becomes joy, not just a task. Comment feel if you're ready to slow down, to feel your whole body, not just handle one part. Mistake number 5. Always the same position. Same corner, same way. Locking nerves into rigidity. Have you noticed every time you masturbate, you sit in the same spot? Maybe the recliner in the living room or the edge of the bed. You use the same content, same hand, waiting for an old reflex to return. But over time, your brain hardwires your sexual reflex. Meaning, only in that spot, that way, can you get hard finish. Change the setting with your wife elsewhere. Different time, your body doesn't respond. A 2020 King's College London study found 43% of older men couldn't get erect in real situations but could when alone. Analysis showed reflexes tied to familiar settings losing flexibility to adapt. You're not erectile dysfunctional. You've just trained your body to follow one path until it forgets how to turn elsewhere. Solution. Change the space, switch rooms, open a window, play soft music. Change position, sit upright. Stretch legs, prop a pillow under knees. Each small shift is a neural workout, making reflexes flexible, vibrant, tied to reality. Comment move. If you're ready to remind your body, sex isn't a habit, it's a living, changing, felt experience. Mistake number 6, always ending with ejaculation. Thinking it's release but draining your pituitary and testosterone. You were taught, men masturbate, they finish. That was true at 20. But at 60 plus, sometimes the right move is stop. Before you're spent. After each ejaculation, your central nervous system releases prolactin, causing drowsiness, lowering arousal, drops dopamine, sharply leading to fatigue, even emptiness. And if done too often, testosterone falls, sex organs weaken early. A 2016 University of Utrecht study found older men who masturbated without always ejaculating kept testosterone levels more stable, felt more energized the next morning. 49% maintained steady life drive after 3 months. Solution. You don't need to finish every time. Treat masturbation as a vitality activation therapy, not about release, but feeling alive. Sometimes touch gently, breathe deeply, stop near climax. It's enough to keep nerves alive and hormones steady. You're not less a man for not going all the way. You're a man when you pace yourself to live long, strong, fully. Comment energy if you felt drained after each time and now want to preserve vitality instead of burning it out. Mistake. Number 7, not speaking up, letting silence chill both of you. You still love her, but you're scared to say, "I still masturbate." You fear she'll be hurt. You fear she'll think you don't desire her. So you choose silence. But here's what no one says. Women over 60 are lonely too. They have their own voids, unsure where to start. A 2022 AARP study found 68% of women aged 60-75 knew their husbands still masturbated, But 81% of them felt, it's not the act that hurts, it's that he won't talk about it. You don't need to share details. But you can say, I still feel things. I don't know how to be close like before, but I love you, and I don't want to live quietly in our own home. When you speak up, you don't just heal yourself. You awaken a part of her she's hiding too because she's scared, ashamed, silent too. Comment together if you've wanted to share but didn't know how. Comment safe if you're ready to do what thousands of men over 60 wish they'd done sooner. Pull your partner closer with honest words, fearless. It's time to reclaim yourself. You're not wrong for masturbating after 60. You're wrong for doing it in ways that harm without anyone warning you. These 7 mistakes aren't about shame. They're about habits you can change. Stop hiding, start connecting. Ditch extreme content, feel reality. Slow down, let your body work. Feel your whole self, not just one part. Break the routine, make reflexes alive. Save your energy, don't burn it out. Speak up. Don't let silence freeze your love. You're not chasing youth. You're claiming the man you still are, vital, feeling worthy of love. Comment, what held you back, religion, age? Or no one saying this is normal? Where will you start, sleep, reflexes, or connection? Comment alive if this video made you feel you're still here. Comment respect if you're ready to live fully, no hiding, no rushing, no fear. If you're on this quiet journey, hit subscribe. We're not teaching you to be young again. We're helping you live true to your age with the deepest, truest parts of you still alive. You're not alone. We're with you every week for you with you.